This small box controls the quality of everything that you record. If your audio interface is set up wrong, even a great mic will sound bad. Let's fix that. In this video, I will show you what an audio interface actually does, how to plug things in correctly, how to set your gain properly, and the number one mistake beginners make with audio interfaces. Your interface has 3 jobs. 1, it powers your microphone. 2, it converts analog sound into digital sound. 3, it sends sound back out to your headphones or your studio monitors. Think of it as the traffic controller for your home studio. The XLR cable goes from your microphone to your audio interface input. USB or Thunderbolt goes into your computer. Headphones plug in directly to the headphone output. Do not plug microphones directly into your computer. The interface exists for a reason. If you're using a condenser mic, you must turn on 48-volt phantom power. Dynamic mics, leave it off. Quick caution, always plug in the mic before turning phantom power on. Gain is not volume, it's how hard your signal hits the preamp. Proper gain rule. Speak or sing at your loudest level. Turn the gain up until it's strong but not clipping. Aim for healthy signal, not red lights. If it clips, it's ruined. You cannot fix distortion later. Most interfaces offer direct monitoring, which lets you hear yourself with 0 latency. If you hear an echo or a delay, you're probably monitoring twice. The fix? Use either direct monitoring or DAW monitoring. Never both. Quick hits. Gain too high, phantom power used incorrectly, monitoring through the wrong source, ignoring input meters. Once your interface is set correctly, everything else gets easier. If you follow this series from start to finish, you'll have a home recording setup that actually works, not just one that looks good on Instagram. So that's your ultimate home studio starter kit. Smart gear, smart choices, and no wasted cash. If you found this helpful, please hit like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what your studio looks like. Catch you in the next one.